Welcome back to the Android App Training Online course. Next, we're going to learn how to actually install App Inventor on your computer. So obviously, if you've done this already, you can move on to the next part of the course. But if you have not, let's figure out how we go about doing that. So you're going to need to go to the URL appinventorbeta.com/about, and that will take you to the page that looks like this. From there, you want to click on the link that says Learn. And then you want to go over here to Setup and click Setup. And now the first thing you're going to see here is set up your computer, but we're going to skip on by all that. We're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and what we're going to find here is a list of operating systems. So if you have an Apple computer, for example, you would use this Mac OS X link. If you're running Linux, you would use this link right here, and I happen to be running Windows, so I'm going to click on the Instructions for Windows link. Now, I should tell you that within the online training course, we do have all of these instructions provided for you depending on which operating system you're running, as well as this link right here where it says download the installer. This is going to be your executable file that you'll download to your computer so that you can actually install App Inventor on your computer. So we'll go ahead and click on this. And remember, since you're already in your online course, you can just go ahead and click the installer link from there. I did want to be able to share this video with everybody out there who's just getting started with App Inventor so that they would know where to go if they're not signed up for the course already. So the next thing we're going to do is click Run. And we're going to see that our downloader is almost complete here. If you are running Google Chrome, you'll see the download in the bottom left-hand corner here. So now we're going to click Yes because we want to make these changes to this computer because what we're doing is installing App Inventor. So we'll click Yes. And it brings up the familiar software install wizard. So we'll go ahead and click the Next button. And then we're going to agree to our terms and conditions here. And here you can certainly choose an install location by hitting this Browse button, but I like to just put things where the manufacturer suggests that I put them, and that way I know that they're in the right place. So I'm going to leave it as is, and I'll click Next. And then you can certainly change the name of it here, but we'll leave it labeled App Inventor Setup. And then we'll click the Install button. And that was actually real time. It doesn't take very long to set this up at all. So we'll click the Finish button now that we're done. And now we have App Inventor installed on our computer.